I've got them, but they're gonna be mad about this one. They shouldn't be. I'm congratulating them. They did a good job out here.
Everybody had to be evacuated. Everybody was evacuated.
About some of that gas.
Yeah.
Go out. They be playing games. I see him.
Every time I spend out, you got it.
Every time when I see I got the budge. You say you ain't got no cash.
I don't. I run out. Look, swear to God, I run out. Every time
You
you
got a
say,
job, right?
I mean, I volunteer my time to help them out.
So you got a decent heart.
Yeah.
But you always at the bud.
Yeah.
Levels.
But just share to everybody, you know what I mean? I believe in equality.
Me when I be not right.
Yeah.
It keeps you from going wrong.
Absolutely. It keeps me nice and calm.
Nah, I ain't calm, but I'm just level.
Level, yeah.
You ain't ever did 20-some years in prison, did you?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't understand my pain. So I try to just... You can't understand 20-some years in prison. For some shit you didn't do for not telling the man.
Mm.
You hear me?
Yeah.
But I'm a laid-back individual, but I'm not nice, but I'm nice. I'm very violent, but I'm nice.
Nice with it.
Huh?
Nice with it.
Most people that I see can't beat me. I don't give a fuck if you know martial arts or not. You just, my confidence is crazy, and I was just so fast. I didn't give a fuck what you know.
OG.
Getting drunk, sniffing powder, smoking weed, easing my pain. And I don't want no smoke, but don't play.
I feel you.
I respect you and I like what you do.
Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
That's real shit. I like what you do. You ain't no asshole, you know what you don't. You just working. Real right, like you have no. When you see a man walk around the yard with his finger in another man's ass. When you see a man going to sell with another man and turn his TV and eat all of his food. Slap shit out of him, motherfucker, and take his package when he bring that weed in the jail. I never let that happen to me. It's not gonna happen.
I feel you.
My first time was 3 years. I'd kill you before I let you do something to me. You ain't gotta finish that sentence, you dig me? Well, I'm just humble, but certain shit make you a monster. And 20 years in the wall.
You did a 20-year bid?
My last joint was 16.
Hey.
Whether to make you a monster, I still look young, but I'll be 50 next year.
Yeah, for real? You look good, though.
I know.
You look good.
But I just ain't no drug. I just said do what y'all do. I like to smoke my little weed, put a little powder in it sometimes. And I do me. I don't ask nobody for shit. I don't need nothing from nobody. Survive when I get home. That's it.